Hey guys, so welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, as you can see in the description, today we're going to be reviewing the new Chick-fil-A sandwich, the honey pepper pimento cheese sandwich, and so I'm really excited about that. I've heard a lot of good things about it and I'm so ready to try it, so let's get into it. So what do we have?
I'm getting the number one.
Okay.
Ron's got the 8-count chicken nuggets.
Ah!
Oh,
So good.
not the fry.
Really? Okay, so let's try the new sandwich. So it has in the sandwich, it has jalapenos, and then it has a drizzle of honey, and then it has the Chick-fil-A, just a Chick-fil-A the patty. And then on the top it has the cheese. Ooh, look at that. It's the pimento cheese. And it looks like it has a little bit of like red pepper in it. Anyways, it looks so good. Let's see. Let's try it. Mmm.
Is it good?
This is really good. This is really good.
Would that be your new order now?
Mm-hmm. This is really, really good. I've had a lot of people talk about it. Do we have new napkins? I had a lot of was looking at the reviews and stuff, and they were talking about how this is like the #1 chicken sandwich that people be ordering now at Chick-fil-A. It is so good. Adding the pimento cheese is so good. It's not even spicy. Like you can like, it's a little hint of it, but it's not like, it's not crazy spicy. It's so good. It's so good. How's yours?
Pretty good.
So what do you get?
I just got the number one,
Which is what?
which is just chicken and pickles. I'm basic. With some mayonnaise.
With some Chick-fil-A sauce?
Mm-hmm.
Some Bussin?
What do you rate that burger?
I think it's like my burger now, because it tastes so good.
So flavorful for a burger.
Yeah, because like the cheese like just melted in there. So good. And then you can kind of taste where's a little bit of spicy, just a little bit, but not too much, because the honey kind of calms it down. So it's so good. You want to try it?
Mm-hmm. Got a lot of jalapenos in there.
My daughter's not a big fan of spicy stuff, so
Pretty good.
can you taste the spiciness?
Mm-mm.
I think the honey kind of
Sweetened it down.
I
Pretty
think so
good,
too. Yeah, I think so too. I mean, if you don't like jalapenos, then, you know, I guess you just don't order it, I guess.
Or just take them out.
Yeah.
It's pretty good.
Mm-hmm. I think the whole combination
Works together.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. So good. And also get a lemonade. I usually get at Chick-Fil-A, like, just the deluxe Chick-Fil-A sandwich, which is great. But this is going to be like my new go-to because it's so good. So good. Um, so today we literally didn't do nothing all day. My daughter wakes up at 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Like, literally.
I didn't wake up at 5.
Huh?
I didn't wake up at 5.
Bubby, how's your chicken nuggets? Good? Good? You like Chick-Fil-A? Is your Chick-Fil-A your favorite place to go?
Mm-hmm.
This burger's good. So, what are we gonna do today? Probably gonna do some little shopping. Grocery shopping.
Ah, you're teasing me. Naughty, naughty.
You got me too excited. I like looked at you. I was like, oh, she's gonna take me shopping. She loves me today. Then you just had to say grocery shopping.
I mean, that's love. I'm feeding you.
No, you just buy the food and I make it.
Yeah. Same thing.
I guess it's a 50-50 relationship.
Yeah. So glad it's not hot. It's been so freaking hot past couple of days, but today it's not bad. It's not bad. This burger tastes so good. Also got that new shake. It's called the, what did I say it was called? So we're gonna be trying the Caramel Crumble Milkshake from Chick-Fil-A. It's kind of a little watery already.
It's a little sad.
I feel like it was,
Probably 'cause it's so hot outside.
it's not even that hot no more.
What do you mean? It is hot. It's a big sip.
It's okay.
I feel like it doesn't taste like anything.
It don't taste like anything.
What do you think, Simon?
So it is a hand spun the old-fashioned way. This creamy butterscotch caramel flavor milkshake is made with Chick-fil-A ice dream. Dessert and delicious blondie crumbles topped off with the whipped cream and cherry. Yeah, you can definitely taste the blondie crumbles.
Whatever that means.
Yeah, whatever that means. That was okay. That sandwich is so good. If y'all have not tried it, y'all definitely need to try it because it is literally bussin'. Bussin'. What's it called?
Bustin'?
How do you say it?
Bustin'. Bustin'?
I thought it was bussin'.
Okay, now you got me knowing not how to say it. It's bussin'.
Bussin'. Yeah, whatever it's called. But anyways, it was so good. I love the sandwich. I'm definitely gonna get it again because I really did like it, enjoyed it. I feel like the cheese gave it that extra kick that it needed. So good. And we are definitely gonna get it again. So yeah, so that was the review on our Chick-fil-A today, guys. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can post more videos and y'all can catch us here on YouTube.
Please do that.
Thanks, guys.